Okay, Math 10, here's some examples for your trapezoids and kites. You have to have that property list in front of you. Make sure you use that. Print it out, take a picture of it, write it on separate paper, whatever you need to do. But I uploaded the properties of every trapezoid, properties of isosceles trapezoids, and properties of kites. So for this first example, you are given a trapezoid. It does not say that it's an isosceles trapezoid. It says find the length of A, B, E, F, and DC. So the first thing you have to do is recognize what the given information pertains to. So you are given information about both of the bases. And then EF, you know EF is a mid-segment because E is the midpoint of AD and F is clearly the midpoint of BC. The markings tell you that E and F are the midpoints. So since EF is the mid-segment, I told you in that chart that EF is half of the sum of the two bases. So you can think of it that way, or you can think of it as the mid-segment is twice the sum of the two bases. So I can write 2 times the mid-segment, EF, is equal to AB plus DC. So take the mid-segment, multiply it by 2, and that should come out to be exactly the same as the sum of the two bases. So this formula is on that property sheet that I gave you. So now let's fill everything in. So you get 2 times EF, which is 3x minus 5. And that is equal to AB, x plus 3, plus DC, which is 4x minus 7. And now we just do the algebra. So distribute the 2 through and you get 6x minus 10 equals x plus 4x is 5x. 3 minus 7 is negative 4. So if you finish this, subtract 5x from both sides and add 10, you get x equals 6. But you are not done here. I asked you to find the length of A, B, E, F, and DC. So A, B, E, F, and then DC. So to find the length of AB, just plug 6 in for x. So 6 plus 3 is 9. EF plugs 6 in for x, and you get 3 times 6 is 18, minus 5 is 13. And then for DC, if you plug 6 in for x, you get 4 times 6 is 24, minus 7 is 17. So there's the length of the 3 segments that I asked you for.